everyone, my name is Sasuje Colin Lesego. I'm a health and safety officer under the Department of Occupational Health and Safety. Today we are going to talk about factory registration under Section 7, 8 and 9 of Factories Act. This might sound like a legal paperwork, but it is more than that. Factory registration is what makes a workplace to be recognized legally as a factory. Let's start with Section 7. The law states that the chief inspector must keep a register of all factories in the country, which means that all factories operating in Botswana should be registered under Section 7, 8 or 9. This register includes very important information about the factory. These include the name of the factory, the location of the factory, number of employees in the factory, and even the nature of work in which the factory is used for. Go kwadisa madirelo ke selo se se botlhokwa thata, segolo jang mo babereking le mo bahiring. Selo sa ntlha ke gore go nna motho gore madirelo a kgone go tlhatlhobiwa, inspections, mo e leng gore go dira gore batlhatlhobi ba kgone go lemoga bodiphatsa bo e leng gore bo ka tswa bo le teng mo madirelong nako e santse e le teng pele ga mongwe a ka golagala kana a tsenwa ke bolwetse. Fa madirelo a kwadisitswe, go nna motho gore batlhatlhobi ba kgone gore ba ye ko madirelong a go ya go tlhatlhoba. Ka gore ha ba ya go tlhatlhoba ba lebeletse dilo tse di harologaneng, ba kgona go lebelela gore a mme babereki ha ba berekelang teng ba bereka ba babalesegile, ba lebile dilo tse di tshwanang le lesedi le e leng gore ba berekela mo go lone, dilo tse di tshwanang le mogote o e leng gore ba berekela mo go one. Mme ha e le gore go na le sengwe se e leng gore se a bo se sa dirwa sentle, ba kgona gore ba he babereki kana bahiri dikgakololo. Ka mantswe a mangwe, ditlhatlhobo di kgona gore di hime tsone dikotsi kana malwetse mo tirong. Botlhokwa jo bongwe ke gore ha madirelo a kwadisitswe ba tsaya boikarabelo jwa go make sure gore ba sala molao wa tsa botsogo le pabalesego ya babereki mo tirong morago. Selo se se dira gore lefelo la pereko e nne le babalesegileng, ka gore mohiri wa ba itse tse a tshwanetseng gore a di dire. Dilo di tshwana gone go neela babereki ba gagwe diaparo tsa itshireletso kana dilwana tsa itshireletso, le gone go netefatsa gore didirisiwa tsa thuso ya potako di teng mo lehelong la pereko, le tse dingwe hela ka ga molao o buang ka teng go ya ka yone molao wa Factories Act. Registration creates accountability and it also creates protection. When a factory is registered, the employees are protected by the law. This is because incidents and accidents are registered and investigated. Health and safety concerns are also addressed accordingly. Legal accountability ensures that workers cannot be ignored. So, instead of focusing on penalties, take factory registration as a safety shield. It ensures that workplaces are monitored, workers' health is considered, workers' safety is prioritized, and your rights are protected. A registered factory is a structured, safer, and more responsible workplace. Now, let's talk about Section 8. If someone was already operating the factory before this act came into effect, they are required to register their factory within 1 month. And once approved, the chief inspector will issue certificate of registration. Section 9 applies to registration of new factories. Before someone occupies a premises and uses it as a factory, they should make an application to the chief inspector in order for that premises to be registered as a factory. The application must include particulars as included in the first schedule of Factories Act. An inspection will then be conducted, and the chief inspector can only issue certificate of registration when he or she is satisfied that the factory meets the health and safety requirements of the Factories Act. Operating a new factory without first obtaining a certificate of registration is a criminal offense. It can attract a fine of 400 pula, imprisonment of up to 6 months, or both. If they continue operating even after conviction, there is additional daily fines and even further imprisonments. A registered factory is inspected, and an inspected factory is safe. And a safe factory saves lives. Factory registration is a foundational requirement under the Factories Act. It ensures legal operation, regulatory oversight, and employee protection. For more information on issues of occupational health and safety, please contact the numbers below. Thank you.